Hello students, how are you? Hope that all of you are fine. So what is today's topic? That is visualize here. It is lists. So today we will learn about a list. So in HTML there are three type of list: ordered list, unordered list and description list. So what is the use of this list first? So use of this list is that sometime we want a group of set of related items. So at that time we make a list of these items. Clear? So without wasting much time, I directly start implementing list. So first I'll start with ordered list. So first I give h1 here. H1 tag is used for heading. So heading I take languages, LAN, computer languages, computer LANGUAGES languages. Close this h1. Now for making a ordered list, what we use? OL tag. It is a container tag. It is all having opening as well as closing. Container tag. So now I save this one. I save the file with the name of list.html. Directly I go to the folder and where is the file? This. I'll open it. You can see that only a heading is there, but there is no item in a list. To specify the item in a list, we are only using a OL tag will not give anything. We need to take the help of another tag inside this, that is called li tag. Here we specify the items in a list. So the first item is language is HTML. I specify here closing li, opening as well as closing. If we are not giving closing, so by default automatically the next li when we start, it close the previous one. Clear? Now again li I use here. So next language I use Java. Okay, this I have given close li. Other languages are also there. Li, Java, JavaScript. Script is there. Li. Now again I close this. I start li, and the last I take as an example SQL. Okay. Now close li. Yes. Control S. We press to make the changes save permanent. Okay. Now to refresh this, I press this. Here you see that a list we are having, and by default it is having some order, or it is in numeric order 1 2 3 4. So if we are not giving any order to the OL tag, so by default it takes a numeric order. We can customize the order also. For that purpose we use one of its attribute, that is called type attribute. If numeric by default is there, if I specify I, capital I is there, so it means I want it in the capital Roman list. So if I refresh it, so you can see that it is in the capital Roman first, second, third, fourth. If we give value small I, so it is small case Roman letters. Or we can give capital A, alphabet. If I give only A here, it represents that we want a list in the alphabet. So refresh it, A, B, C, D. In the same way, if we want the list in the lower case, then we give this small a. So these are the 5 values we can give to the type attribute. By default 1 2 3 4 is numeric is there, that's why I have not given. If we are giving 1 to 1, so it is taking numeric, so it is default 1, so there is no need to specify. But I, capital I represents Roman capital, small I small Roman, A represents small a alphabet, and capital A capital alphabet. Clear? So now one more attribute is there, that is called start. Start is here, and we give the value to a start. Sometime we don't want to start it from the A, B, C, D. we want to start it from the some other value. Likewise, I have given 5 here. So first A1, B2, C3, D4, and fifth character in the alphabet is E. So the list starts from, for HTML it is E, F, G and H. We get as a output. Now here we see the changes E, F, G, H. If a Roman is there, capital I is there, so the HTML fifth, for Java it is 6th, 7th and 8th. It comes in the Roman form. Same a numeric is there, so we directly see the changes 5, 6, 7 and 8. So as we add the items in the list, the number increases. Clear? So this is about the ordered list. Now I create unordered list where I don't want to specify the order. So instead directly I change this to the unordered list, or I will copy this one. Copy this, complete. It is unordered list, so unordered list of computer languages. So there I make some little bit changes. Start attribute is not there, but here if I am not specifying for unordered list we use UL tag. Instead of OL is for ordered list and unordered it is UL tag. Rest is same. Now see what happened to the list. We make some changes here, that BR I specify to break row. So here we see what is there. It is unordered list of computer items, and you can see that disk symbol is there. Clear? So start at type attribute is there. We want to change the default symbol. So by default a disk is there. If we give circle, as a value to this, a circle appears. So a circle is there. So by default disk symbol is there. Disk, this one is disk, and for circle, and the third value we give square. Square is there. Here you see that a square symbol is there, appears. So if we are giving square, so what are the possible values? So disk by default, circle is there and square is there, or we can give none also. And any none, so what happens? See what is there? None. None if we are giving, so there is no symbol appears, only a list is there. Clear? So these are the 4 values we can give to the unordered list. There is no start attribute because there is no order, that's why there is no start attribute of this UL tag. Now we move towards the third one, that is called definition list. So for definition list, again I use this, copy this heading. So this heading is there, and I give definition list. Definition list, definition list, or also called description list. So now that's definition list. We use which symbol? The tag name is DL. The tag name is DL, and we close this DL here. DL I close. To another tag which we use inside this, first is DT, definition term, whose definition we want to specify. The definition term is HTML is there. Close this DT, definition term. Now to describe this definition we use DD, data description, either we can call it, or definition data description. So whatever the data is there, the data is HTML. So describe is a markup language. that is a markup language. I close this dd tag. Again I want another definition, so I give dt. This time I want to specify, give a definition to a Java language. Close this dt. Now description of this one, data description we give is this is a programming language. So I close this dd tag. So now see what are the changes there. Here we see a definition list. This is the term HTML, and after giving a one tab space, it start to describing its term, that describing its term. So term, this one is the another term Java. Now it is the description about this term. So sometimes we want to specify some quotations or these things, so we use this definition list. So this way we define the definition list. So this is all about the list. So this is an example of ordered list, this is an example of unordered list, and this is the example of a list. So thank you very much, hope you like it.